Getting 40 out of 40 in IELTS reading is not about perfect English. It's about using the right system, and most students are using the wrong one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how high scorers approach IELTS reading step by step.
Are you preparing for IELTS and you want a high band score, but you're stuck between reading traps, writing mistakes, and speaking nerves? Well, you're not alone. But the good news is that you don't have to struggle anymore. After 7 years of experience with IELTS, I've created a complete IELTS mastery course. It has things from 500 synonyms required for reading to amazing idioms that help you get a high band score in speaking, proven structures for writing task 1, academic, general, and writing task 2 with actual band 9 samples with a range of 6.5 to 9, and why this is a 6.5, why it's a 7, why it's at 8, and how to get to 9. Listening strategies with actual examples, plus topic-based vocabulary banks, grammar fixes, and linking words that examiners love. And here is the actual best part. I'm not saying this out of the blue. My students have actually achieved a band 7, 7.5, an 8, an 8.5, and even a band 9 in reading, listening, speaking, you name it. This course is not just about IELTS. It's about opening doors to opportunities, universities, and careers that are your dream. So if you're actually serious about getting your dream band score, I have attached the course link in the description of this video. Click on it and let's make IELTS your success story.
Why students fail? Most students read every word, panic under time pressure, trust keywords too much. That's why they get stuck at 25 to 30 max. The key: reading is not about understanding everything, it's about finding answers efficiently. Step 1. Start with questions. Never start by reading the passage. Instead, read questions first, underline keywords, predict answer type. Step 2. Scan, don't read. Your job is to locate, not understand everything. Scan for keywords or synonyms. Ignore unrelated parts completely. Step 3. Understand meaning, not words. This is where 7+ band students win. Example, question says increase. Text might say rose significantly. If you rely on exact words, you'll fail. Step number 4. Master question types. Focus on true, false, not given, matching headings, sentence completion. Each question type has its own logic. Treat them differently and not the same. Step 5. Time strategy. Passage 1, 15 minutes. Passage 2, about 20. And passage 3, 25 minutes. Don't waste time early and panic later. What are some high scoring habits? Don't overthink. Trust first logical answer. Move fast. Biggest mistake, trying to fully understand the passage. If you try to understand everything, you will run out of time for sure. 40 out of 40 correct in reading is not about being perfect. It's about being efficient, strategic, and fast. If you want a full breakdown of each question type from me, comment reading and I'll make it next. Thank you very much. I'll keep coming back with more IELTS content. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Catch you guys in the next one.